Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's video is a hair tutorial for this half up messy space bun kind of look. I have created a space bun hair tutorial previously. That one was a little bit kind of neater and I had it all up. I thought I'll try a half up, half down and make the bun a little bit more like messy and crazy. A little bit funky, very Spice Girls, very festival-esque. I think it looks quite fun with the pink in my hair. So if you want to see how I created this crazy half up space bun look, then keep on watching. So I have detangled my hair with my tangle teaser, got all those knots out. Now I'm ready to start. What I want to do is part my hair from the top of my ears all the way around, and then I want to bring that down like so, and I want to keep this part of my hair separate, so keep that out of the way, and then I'm going to work on the top part of my hair. What I'll do is start brushing it back like so, and then I simply want to part my hair down the middle. If you constantly see me looking here, it's because my mirror is sitting here. So I'm going to part my hair down the middle all the way down to the back, separate those two sections like so, and then this is where I would like my first bun to be. So I'm going to take my lovely dense smoothing brush, spray that with some Silvercrin natural hold hairspray, and start just brushing this upwards into the direction that I want the bun to sit, like so. So now I want to tie this into a ponytail first, about here. Tighten that, and then I am ready to put the bun in place. So I will simply twist round, and as I'm going round, give it a 360, turn it all the way around, and as you wrap the hair round, just tighten slightly as well. And then you're ready to tie the bun. So bring that round underneath, you almost want to disguise it. And then you've got that first bun in place. You want to repeat the same method. Simply just part your hair, take the same area, so where your hair was sectioned off, carry that on round, separate that. I'm going to bring this hair to the front, because you're not using that, you'll be keeping that down. And then you want to start brushing your hair upwards again, same method as the other side. Twist that round like the other side, bring it round and round. And then because it's like a messy kind of bun tutorial, you just kind of want to bring out any bits that are poking out, tease the hair a little bit, back comb it, make it all cute and crazy, like so. It doesn't need to be perfect because it's a crazy bun tutorial. So if you just smooth out any little excess parts that you see, rough up the buns a little bit, and then your buns are complete. That is my half up crazy space bun tutorial now complete. I think this is super fun. I think it's very like, obviously Spice Girls-esque, but it's a little bit sporty as well. It gives me like a sporty vibe or a festival vibe. Festivals are coming up soon. Perfect hairstyle. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!